Welcome to Alley in the Valley. I'm Allison Ball Kilmer. Alley in the Valley is a lifestyle blog about healthy, delicious food, all while staying on a budget. Homegrown cooking, down-to-earth living. For tonight, having a few friends over for my holiday cocktail party, I'm gonna serve really cute appetizers, these Antipasto skewers. I'm big on skewers. If you go on my website, on Alley in the Valley, you will see tons of different versions of skewers. I actually just love them because they're easy to make. You can put them on a plate, you can walk around and eat them, and then throw the skewer away. But let me show you how I do it. It's really simple. I use Greek olives, which I'm absolutely obsessed with. Then I just take a organic tomato, any kind of tomato, tomatoes from your garden if you're so lucky to have your tomatoes in your garden. And then pasta that I previously made. So the pasta, cheese tortellini pasta, I cooked it. Then I put Italian dressing and hot sauce on top of it. Baby, yum. So good. And this is kind of like food art, you know? Then we take a piece of basil. Love basil, love basil. I'm obsessed with basil. I use basil on a lot of stuff. Then I take a piece of fresh mozzarella cheese. This one is already seasoned, but you can use plain, whatever you like. And then you could put meat or not. I am putting some salami. Not everybody's into meat, so you could do some without meat. It's all up to you and the people that are coming to your house. But a nice yummy salami. My kids love their salami, and you just build from here. This is exactly how you do it. It's really simple. You can actually do these really in advance, you know, like I'm doing now before people get to your house, and they're already waiting for them for their Antipasto skewers. So cute, right? I'm gonna make another appetizer too for the holiday party, and I'm gonna bring that right back to you in 1 second. For one of my other appetizers for today's cocktail party that I'm having for my employees that always really help me and getting ready in the Christmas spirit, I'm gonna make an amazing pomegranate cranberry bruschetta. You heard it right. Bruschetta is usually warm and usually an Italian sauce and marinara, but I'm changing it up because cranberries are in season and I absolutely love cranberries. So I got a French baguette. You can use a French baguette. You can use sourdough, whatever you want. I'm gonna line them right here. They're just lightly warmed with olive oil. Let's get to the sauce. So basically, we're gonna use about a pound of cranberries. So I'll tell you I'm doing it, but it is a pound. Right about there. We're gonna put a cup of sugar, right? 1 full pepper, depending how hot you like it. And let's get to the messy part. I hope this doesn't get on my top. I'm gonna use part of a pomegranate and just take the seeds. Put as much pomegranate as you can get out of the seeds in. All right, and then we're gonna do basil. Some salt and pepper, just a dab. You're gonna put a little salt on top of the mixture once you have it done. And let's go mix this baby. So you put cream cheese. You can get light cream cheese. You can get any kind of cream cheese you want. I'm using honey pecan just because the honey flavor with the bruschetta for me sounds really good. I'm actually experimenting. You usually just use regular. This is really simple. I love it. You just put a dab. You just put a piece of basil on top of each piece for the freshness. Look how cute these are, right? Here you go. This is a pomegranate cranberry bruschetta. I have one more cute thing I'm gonna do for you, which is really simple with a piece of fruit. So I'll be right back. So this is also another little appetizer that I'll put out that people can snack on. And it's healthy, so all the picky people who want to stay on a diet. So look, you see how the Christmas tree comes out? And then you just push it lightly, and you have fruit as a Christmas tree. My appetizers for my Christmas cocktail party were the Antipasto skewers, fabulous, so yummy. My pomegranate cranberry bruschetta, and then just for a great cleaning palate, fruit, healthy conscious, I just made Christmas tree watermelon. All the recipes you can get on www.alley